Welcome to JG Eats, brought to you by Stovetopyumyum. I'm JG, and today we've been making Jamaican style ribs on a budget. Yeah man, you don't know. First, we're going to be using our jerk seasoning. It's an amazing jerk seasoning. We're going to go heavy with it. We're going to put it all over it. Look at that. Flip it over a little bit. Get it all on the generously. It. And now we're going to use our holy mango, which is a deep green organic mango. No salt, no sugar, no gluten, no artificial flavors, just an amazing blend. You can put as much as you want. So we're going to go heavy. We are going to go heavy. We are going to go heavy. Ooh, look at that. That holy mango. Make sure you stir it on all sides. Now we're going to turn them. Look at that. That looks good. It's coming together, y'all. It's coming together. Get that stir on it. Oh man, look at that good. Now we're going to take them out. Woo! Imagine all that flavor that's in this pan. Oh man, look at those ribs. Incredible. That's beautiful. Look at that. Our onions right here. We're going to pour it in the pan. Oh man, it smells so good. It really does. It smells so good. Put it around a little bit. Oh, yeah. So our garlic, we're going to pour our garlic in. Ooh. Pour garlic cloves. That smell is incredible, folks. And now we're going to use some more of our holy mango. Remember, folks, there's no salt, no sugar, no gluten. So go ahead. Get some water. Put a cup and a half of water in your pan. Look at that. It smells so good. Hey guys, when you put your rib, we're going to take our ribs and put it back in. Put it back on. Now put it back on. Smells so good. Now we're going to plate. Look at that. That looks so amazing. I made rice and plantains earlier to go with the ribs. Put some of my gravy on top of that rice. That looks real good. Now let's try it. Let's try our ribs. Oh, that's real tender. Some of that gravy on that. That's good. You don't know. You don't know. Let's try some of the plantains. That is so good. Put some of that cilantro on the pork. Make it look real good. There it is, folks. All this for a family of 3, $15. Don't forget, check out the link below for our amazing seasoning blends. And shipping is free. Stovetopyumyum. Let's go.